to find Recycle Bin on Android phones. So let's say you accidentally deleted a file or maybe photos and videos. I'm going to show you where to find them and how to restore. Firstly, let's go ahead and restore some deleted files. For this, I'm going to open my app drawer and search for the Files app. As you can see, I have two results, Files by Google and My Files by Android. So if you want to find not just files but also your deleted photos and videos all in one place, then choose My Files app with the orange icon. If you want to find your Google documents, then select Files. Let's choose for now Files. And now, while you're on the main page, tap on Three lines in the top left corner. And then you should see Trash. So tap on that, and any file that has been in trash for 30 days will be permanently deleted. So make sure that you still have time. So to restore one file, just select it by tapping, or if you have multiple files and you want to restore all of them, just click all items on the top and choose button Restore, or you can delete them, it's up to you. I'm gonna restore this file. Great, now let's go back to the home screen and open the second app, My Files. So here you can also just scroll down until Utilities section and you will see Trash. So you will see all of your items from My Files app, gallery, and also some third-party apps. And this one will also be deleted after 30 days, so be careful. Now to restore those items, we just need to tap Select button and then manually select files you want to restore, then click arrow on the bottom Restore. Or you can choose button All in the top left corner and restore all of your files. But I'm gonna restore just this one. And now this file is restored. And the last way how you can find your recycle bin is by going in the Gallery app. So go ahead and open your gallery, then tap Menu button on the bottom of the page and choose Recycle Bin, so Trash. After that, you should see the amount of images and videos deleted. And yeah, you can tap Select and as well choose all of the items you would like to restore. Just tap on the item and tap Restore. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.